Wow, what do you have?
Google Galaxy.
Google Galaxy. Let's see. Wow.
Oh, we have shop.
What do we have there? We have to make slime and we have to feed her.
Well, the brown house and make another honey.
Okay, so we mix it, we fill her up, and then we squish it.
Yeah.
She spits it out.
Yeah, we have sparkly.
And we have sparkly things. Wow. That seems like fun. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Let's take it out and see how we can feed this little galaxy baby.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm very hungry. Let's open it and let's take her out, okay?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh wow, she's so squishy.
I got a little bit. Oh, I got her.
How beautiful is she?
What's her eye?
Wow. She has rainbow. Oh wow, she is super squishy.
And Pooper is squishy
Pooper
too.
is squishy too. Hey! Let's see what else we have here. Okay, we have some, what is this, glitter? Okay, that's one. We have this, sparkly stars. Ooh. Okay. Then we have this slime powder. We have more shiny stuff that we're gonna mix in with the slime. Here we go. And a little bit more. And last one. Oh wow, these are so colorful. Very cool. And we have a little mixing one. Look at the galaxy thing on the top. Look how cute it is. What do you think? Then we have the mixing bowl. See? Wow, how cool is this bowl? I love the color. Look, we're gonna mix the stuff here, okay? She's super cute, guys. Look at the rainbows. And her little ears, they're rainbow and clouds. Did you see that, Zuza? And I think she's very hungry. I am very hungry. Oh wow, Zuza, look, she's got this little candy pacifier. Wow, look how cute she is. That's yeah, that is super cute. We have a super cool syringe so we can feed her.
Hey.
Zuza, does she look hungry to you?
Yeah.
She wants food?
Yeah.
Hey Galaxy Goo Goo, do you want food?
Yeah.
You want food? Your belly looks really empty. Let's make her some food, Zuza. Here's the bowl. Then you put the water. All of it. Oh, to the line. Good job. The powder in. Okay. Put it in. Okay. All of it. Good job, Zuza. And now you mix it. Turning yellow. You have to mix it for about a minute so it turns into slime. Keep mixing gently so you don't spill any water. Let's see, is it done? Wow. Yucky. Which one do you want to add?
This one.
This one. Ooh, this one's super shiny. It looks pretty. Wow, We are mixing it. Do we want to add more?
Yeah.
Which one?
And this one.
The little stars? Okay, let's add those in. Ooh. Does it look yummy?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat it?
No. Jelly.
Google Galaxy's gonna eat it. I bet she's really hungry. What? You want this one too?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it, Zuza. Wow. Ooh, I like this one.
No, that's the one.
It's really pretty. Okay, go ahead and mix it. Looking good and sparkly.
Okay. Oh, that.
Okay, let's put it in our syringe and Zuza's gonna feed the baby. And now you take her pacifier out and I'm gonna hold her and feed her. Press it really hard. Okay, let me help you. Okay, come on. Woo! So much went in. I'm hungry. I'm still hungry. I want more.
Hey, baby.
Wow, that went in good. Woo! She's almost full. More.
Okay, baby.
Blah, blah, blah. This is so good. I want more. I have a big empty belly. Feed me. Woo! That went in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's filthy eater. Blech. Okay, more food. Look at this. She gets it and then it goes right into her tummy. See this? She's all full and she's sucking on her little galaxy pacifier. And now, Zuza, I think she wants to spit it all out. Go, go, gaga, gaga, go, 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 go. Pull the pacifier out. I'll hold the ball and you squeeze. Oh boy, it's coming. It's coming. 1, 2, 3, go. That's kind of disgusting, no?
We'll do it again.
Do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Bye, Zuza. She farted.
Yeah.
Ew, Galaxy baby.
I got